want to show you one quick thing to do to prepare your green beans or peas for cooking or even eating raw. So a lot of times where you see this line along the long end, both sides, there will be a string in there. That's what's going to get stuck in your teeth or just be really unpleasant and could ruin your dining experience if you get that in there. So quick to do, you just break off the end and pull. If there's a string in there, it will come off. A lot of times when you get sugar snap peas like this, they'll be, pre strings removed. There's a little one here. And sometimes they're newer, fresher, smaller. They don't have as big of strings. Other times you'll get a big long string. So let's see if we have any here. We're getting pretty lucky. Oh, here's one. So we'll pull that off. A lot of times we'll go the whole length of it. Sometimes it's just a little piece there at the beginning. But you just want to do that to really improve the texture of your beans or peas. And then if you want to have them whole in, say, a stir fry, that's great. Another thing that will commonly be done with them, and you can do this with either your paring or chef's knife, is just cut them on a bias. Makes a really pretty way to have them, especially if you're having, let's say, a shredded salad. It's really nice to put fresh peas or beans in there and have them among a bunch of other shredded vegetables.